Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SM CAD. Today I will show you how to draw electrical lamp as shown on the screen. So you can see all dimensions here. We have a straight line which is 185 units from top to bottom. It is the full height of the lamp. And then we have here, we'll start from the downside, which we have line 20, 30, 40, and 50 units. So I'll just start first with the top circle, that is radius is 60. So C for circle, enter, and radius I will give 60 units. Okay, then from the middle here I will take one line, and that will be totally 185 units. Now you can see here we have some lines which is 20, that is in this portion, 20, 30, 40, and 50. I will just draw all together here. We'll take a random line with 20 units here, again with the random collects which will be 30 units, then another one with the 40 units, and the last one with the 50 units. Okay, the first line which is 20 units, I will move from the midpoint here and keep it here. Then the next line which is 30 also will take it here, and I will move it here, and then again from here I'll move with the height of 5 units which is mentioned here. Okay, now the next line which is 40 also will take it from here, place it from middle point and keep it here. Okay, the last line which is 50 units, again similar from here, I'll bring it here, and this last line I will just move from here with the base point from this point with the 10 units. Now you will see how we can divide these lines. Actually here mentioned 5 5 5, last I make it 10, but now you will see how we can convert this one to 5 also. So just I will take from here, I'll join this line here with the next line, similar here also. Okay, and also from here I will take this line and join it here, from here also here, and in the middle we will draw one line, so that is we take it before the height is 10 units, now it's become 5 5. So the down portion is ready. Now we'll draw this thread type shape. Okay, you can see here also the height is 5. So simply I will just from here I will take one line with the 5 unit, and I'll bring this line and click here. Okay, if you look to this portion, the total height of this portion is 45 degrees. So I will just take one line from here, from this, and I will draw this line with 45 unit. Okay, then I will just copy this 50 line, which is this will be here, the last line. I will copy from here, and I'll keep it here on the end. Okay, now I don't need this line anymore, and I will just copy this one with the 5 units again. So this is, I'll click from here. First copy will be 5 unit, second will be 10 units, third will be 15 units, fourth will be 20 units, and last one will be 25 units. Now just drag this line, and I'll move it here, and also mirror it. You can copy, you can mirror depending on you. So the down portion is also almost completed, the thread section. Above the thread section, you can see also one this portion. We'll just the height this for this is the same. From here, we'll copy the top line with the 5 units. Okay, and also we'll just extend this line from here to here, and from here to here. Now to draw this radius, this circle with radius of 40, I need to go with the tangent circle, which should be tangent, tangent, and radius. So it will be tangent to this corner, this line, and also tangent to the existing circle, and radius which is will be 40. Okay, now we will trim this portion, and here also, and we will just mirror this from the midpoint like this. Then we can trim this portion also. So the external structure is almost ready. Now we will draw this portion which is inside. You can see there is a rectangular with the 20 by 15. 15 is the width and 20 is the height. So I will just draw one rectangle. It will be 15 by 20. Now I'll move from here and keep it here in the middle. Okay. Now you can see there is another line which is this line length is 5 like this, and the height from here will be 2.5. So I will just randomly click here, and the length is 5. Okay. I will take it, move from here to this point, and then from here I will select it, and I will move with the 2.5 unit like this, and I will join it these line like this. Okay. Now we will draw this section, which is, you can see the height is 25 unit up to here. So from here I will take one line with 25 unit, and one more also from here 25 unit. You can see this section, this portion which is 10. So I will just simply draw one more line that will be 10 units, and again I will move it to this portion, and again from here I will move with 25 unit, and again the height of this portion is 2.5. So just copy from here 2.5 units and close this line together. Okay. Now this portion is ready. Now we will go to the next section, which is, you can see this element. It is from here for 77.5 units. So this same line I will just copy from here, copy with the base point with the 77.5 unit. This is the 50 line. You can see this is 50 line. And again, there is another line which is 20 units. So I will simply draw one more line with the 20 units, and I will move it from here and keep it in this middle. Now you can see there is this line. We will draw this line, which is one we will take from here to here, from here to there, and we will track from here also this point, and it has to go to that this line, which is the 20 unit line to these ends. Okay. Again, you can see the element is not straight as shown here. We need to make it in this position. So you can see the height from the top to bottom is the arc position. It is 5 unit. So simply I will just copy this with the 5 unit to down side. Okay. And I will come to the arc, same 3-point arc, click here and click here. Again, another arc from here, here and here. And you can just make one more arc, and you can also mirror from the first arc also. So I'll just delete this point. This line also will delete. This is also will be delete. This is also delete. You can see the internal structure is completed. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to convert the same 2D lamp into 3D, and also we will do some rendering job there. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next tutorial.